student, class 9th chemistry, chapter number 5. Continue with our topic. Defects in Manley's periodic table. Anomalous pair. The following pair of the element did not follow the Manley's principles. Argon with the atomic mass 39.9 precedes with the potassium with atomic mass 39.1. Here we can see in the table that the atomic mass of the argon is 39.9, but it precedes with potassium whose atomic mass is 39.1. Cobalt with atomic mass 58.9 precedes the nickel with the atomic mass 58.6. Tellurium with the atomic mass 127.6 precedes the iodine with the atomic mass 126.9. Position of isotopes. Isotopes of an element are atoms of that element having similar chemical properties but different atomic mass. So here atomic mass is different of isotopes but the chemical properties are same. According to the Manley's periodic law, isotopes of an element must be given separate place in the periodic table since they have different atomic masses, but they were not assigned separate place. So here not assigned separate place to the isotopes. Grouping of chemical dissimilar elements. Elements such as the copper and the silver bear no resemblance to alkali metals, lithium, sodium, etc. But they have been placed together in the first group. So dissimilar properties elements having placed together. Separation of chemically similar elements. So chemically similar elements put separately. Elements that are chemically similar such as gold and platinum have been placed in separate group. So they place separate in a separate group. Electron arrangement. It does not explain the electron arrangement of element. So we don't know how the Manley explained this. So Manley defect is that he is unable to explain the electron arrangement. Position of hydrogen. Hydrogen was not given a fixed position. It was considered in a group 1A as well as in a group 7A because it forms both positive ion in HCl and negative ion in NaH. So here hydrogen is also not confirmed whether in first A or whether in a 7th A group. Atomic number as the basis for modern periodic law. Here we started the modern periodic law and the base of modern periodic law is the atomic number. Till Manley we learn atomic mass. Now we come to the atomic number. Now modern periodic law we have to learn according to the atomic number, and now what the modern periodic law which we are using or table which we are using is based on the atomic number, increasing order of atomic number. The magnitude of the positive charge present in the nucleus of an atom was determined by the Henry Moseley, an English physicist. In 1913, Moseley used anode of different metals in a discharge tube. He placed anode in a discharge tube of different metals and subjected them to attack by cathode ray, and he attacked that rod by using the cathode ray. He found that when cathode ray struck anode of different metal, the wavelength of the ray produced changes. So when the cathode ray attacked to the anode, it forms a wavelength, and wavelength is of the different wavelength was different. The wavelength of this ray was found to be decreases in a regular manner. So wavelength decreases in a regular manner on changing the metal of the anode. So as he changed the metal of the anode, there is a regular change in the wavelength in order of their position in the periodic table. By this, he concluded that the number of positive charge present in the nucleus of the atom is the most fundamental property of an atom. The number of unit positive charge present in the nucleus of an atom of a particular element is called the atomic number of that element. Here we know that positive charge is what of the atom? Proton. So number of proton is there, that is the atomic number of the atom. Sum of the positive charge present in the nucleus is due to the proton, and the number of proton is equal to the atomic number of that element. So number of proton is equal to atomic number of the element. Thus the Henry Moseley found that the atomic number is the better fundamental property of the element compared to the atomic mass. So what is the better property to compare the element? Atomic number is the better, not atomic mass. This led to the modern periodic law, and this is only the modern periodic law. Modern periodic law. Physical and chemical properties of element are a periodic function of their atomic number. Now the periodic function is what? Atomic number. If elements are arranged in order of their increasing atomic number, those with similar properties are separated after a regular interval of time. And this periodicity is the periodic table occur based on the atomic number of proton. So periodicity also we can able to see, and periodicity is the property that the property repeat after regular interval of time in a periodic table. Explanation for the anomalies in the Mendeleev's classification of element. First is the position of isotopes. Position of the isotope. Since all isotopes of an element have the same number of proton, their atomic number is also same. So isotopes having the same number of proton and atomic number also same. And since all isotopes of an element have the same atomic number, they can be put at the same position in the periodic table. So atomic number is same, so they can be put in the same position in the periodic table. Position of an anomalous pair. The atomic number of the argon is 18 and its mass is 40, while the atomic number of potassium is 19 and its mass is 39. Now, according to the modern periodic law, elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic number. So, argon with its lower atomic number should come first, and potassium with the higher atomic number should come later. This is why, because of the atomic number, he placed the elements according to the atomic number, not the atomic mass. So whose atomic number will be more will be come afterwards. So here we know that the argon atomic number is 18 and the potassium atomic number is 19. So argon will be first and potassium will be after the argon. In a similar way, the position of the cobalt and the nickel are also justified.